What's up YouTube, it's POCG, and today I've got an awesome pack opening for you. We're going to be opening up at the end an original Metal Raiders blister. Super cool, super classic, super old. And along with this, at the end of the video, we're going to start off opening 2 Breakers of Shadow packs here. And then we're also going to open up 2 packs of Pendulum Evolution. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe so I can post you guys some more awesome pack openings. And I also want to see all the support I can get. Anyways, let's go ahead and start into our smaller packs. The Pendulum Evolution. Pendulum Evolution pack's pretty cool, but it is a smaller set. So there's not tons of unique cards in there. But let's go ahead and see what we get. Alright, not bad. We got a Time Pendulograph, Harmonizing Magician, Rescue Hamster, Odd Eyes Vortex Dragon, and an Enlightenment Paladin. Super cool. Go ahead and put him in a sleeve because he is our background cover card. Super cool. We've got our Paladin. There he is in our Bosch pack. Alright, for our next one, ooh, another Time Pendulograph. Awesome, an Astrograph Sorcerer. Another Rescue Hamster. A super rare Dragon's Mirror, and Archfiend Eccentric, super rare, not bad for a reprint. Super cool. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and jump into our Breaker of Shadow blisters. And these are first edition. Let's see what we can pull. We'll go ahead and open up both the blisters and then we'll open up the packs. Alright, so we've got our foils here. And 2 Breaker Shadow First Edition. Let's see if we can pull a strike. That would be awesome. Solemn Strike. High Speed Relevel. Dynamis Ceratap, Super Heavy Samurai Prep Defense, Steel Cavalry, and we have a super rare Magispector Toad. Another Super Heavy Samurai, and another Dynamis card. For rares here. And for our next pack, we have Breaker of Shadow, First Edition. Oh my gosh, super awkward. Okay, so we have Forbidden Apocrypha, Performer Pal, Dynamis, Dynamis Petrain, and a super rare Pendulum Storm. Alright guys, the moment we've all been waiting for, the classic, the legendary, the original, Metal Raiders blisters. Let's see what we can get. Gosh, this pack is old. Super cool. Check out these ratios again. Let's see what we can pull. Thank you guys for sticking around for all my pack openings. Let's see what we can get out of this awesome blister. Share the Pain, Illusion Faceless Mage, Cybersaurus, Jellyfish, and Witch's Apprentice for a rare. Awesome. Labyrinth Tank, Crawling Dragon, Immoral Thunder, and Mega Thunderball. Not bad. Let's go ahead and go over our foils and see what we got. We got our Enlightenment Paladin. And out of our Metal Raiders pack, we pulled a Witch's Apprentice. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.